Assalamualaikum and good morning to my friends and my teacher. Okay. Today I will present about my own cultural identity, that is Iban. The history of Iban. The Ibans are a branch of the Dayak peoples of Borneo. In Malaysia, most Ibans are located in Sarawak, a small portion in Sabah and some in West Malaysia. They were formerly known during the colonial period by the British as Sea Dayaks. Ibans were renowned for practicing headhunting and tribal territorial expansion. So this is the history of Iban. As you know, my father is Iban, so my main ancestor married to a Chinese woman in Sarawak, and then they have a son, that is my father, Iban. So my father married a Tidung person, okay, in Sabah. Religion. Although the majority are now Christian, many continue to observe both Christian and traditional pagan ceremonies, particularly during marriages or festival. But there are few Iban people who follow Islam. As you can see in this graph, religions of Ibans, Malaysia only. So you can see overall is Christianity, it's 76.3%. The Islam is only 1.54%. So at first, my family tree is not Islam, but my ancestor into Islam for my father. Okay, this is the culture. The Iban people are traditionally enemies, just like the other ethnic groups in Sarawak. Many still hold strongly to their traditional rituals and beliefs, many of which integrate closely with rice planting and harvesting. Okay, next. Okay, this is the Long House. This is the famous house in Sarawak. The traditional Iban live in Long House, Rumah Panjang or Rumah Panjai. The architecture of a long house along the longitude length is designed to imitate a standing tree with a trunk, symbolized by the central tiang pemun being erected first, in the middle point of the long house, with a branch on the left and right hand sides. As you can see, this is inside of the long house. Next. Okay, this is the food. So the first one is manuk pansu. The food uses a bamboo known as ruas is repackaged inside it. Chicken is inserted into bamboo. There is ruas. Then these pans are suitable for eating with white rice. So the second food is kasam ikan Iban, an orange flavor food that is loved by others. It is second best known orange meal, and the fish will marinate with certain herbs for a month. So the lastly, terung Iban asam. Terung asam is primarily used in fish soups, curries and sauces. It is used in asam pedas or sour spicy fish dishes. These two food I have not eaten yet. I have eat this food. I eat this food when I go to Cebu. Okay, this is the festival Hari Gawai Dayak. I cannot celebrate this festival because it is for Christian. Yes, Hari Gawai. Yes, but my father said we cannot celebrate this. Because you can see, it didn't close my private parts like this. Okay, next. Okay, this is the musical instruments. Iban music is percussion oriented. The Iban have a musical heritage consisting of various types of agung ensembles. Percussion ensembles composed of large hanging, suspended or held bows, knob, gongs, which act as drums without any accompanying melodic instrument. So this is agung, gong and xylophone. This is the musical instrument of Iban. Okay, next, this is the special musical instrument for Iban, sape. Bukan sapa. Okay. Sape is originally a traditional music by Orang Ulu, Kayan, Kenyah and Kelabit. Nowadays, both the Iban as well as the Orang Ulu, Kayan, Kenyah and Kelabit play an instrument resembling the guitar called the sape. Datun, Jalut and Nganja Lansan are the most common traditional dances performed accompanied by sape tune. The sape is the official musical instrument of the Malaysian state of Sarawak. It is played similarly to way rock guitarists play guitar solos, a little slower but not as slow as the blues. Yeah, I played this before. My father buy this, so it costs around 500 ringgit. Okay, the next you can hear. Okay. This is sound. Okay, this is traditional clothes for Iban. This is for men, as you can see. So this is the perfect traditional clothes for men. So I just wear the baju gagung and just this. I don't know what is it. Ketapu. This is ketapu. Okay, next. This is for women. This is her accessories. Sugu tinggi, tanggo, selampai, rawai, sementang ringgit, lampit, tumpah bentuk, buah pau, and anklets. So as you know, Iban marriages wear these traditional clothes. So at my family, my first brother and second brother do the traditional clothes in their marriages. Next. So this is my first brother. So handsome. My first brother married to a Bajau. The second one from Brunei. So that's all for me.